Hello and welcome once again to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're having a look at the future perfect tense. Now we use the future perfect in English when we want to talk about something that will finish by a certain time in the future. Have a look and have a careful listen to these two examples. Hopefully by this time next year, the workmen will have finished repairing this road. Fingers crossed, by this time this afternoon, the weather will have improved and the ocean will have settled down. I want to go swimming. Two examples of the future perfect tense. Let's have a look at Uncle Geoff's board and first of all, a timeline. So, we are here. Remember, everything in English is seen from this point, from the time of speaking, from now. We look into the past from now. We look into the future from now, the time of speaking. So, to talk about something that happened before now, when we don't know the exact time, we use the present perfect. You remember too, to talk about something that happened before a time in the past, we use the past perfect. So, how do we talk about something that happened before a definite time in the future, sometime here? We have to use the future perfect. Now, let's look at those two sentences in detail. We make the future perfect tense in English with will plus have plus the third form of the next verb, the past participle, PP, past participle. So, remember our two sentences from earlier. The workmen, we hope the workmen will have finished their work. They will have finished the road by this time next year. Will plus have plus finished. Will have finished. Will have finished. We hope the workmen will have finished the road by this time next year. In the second example, we looked at the weather. Fingers crossed the weather will have improved by later today because I want to go swimming. Will have improved. Will plus have plus third form. Will have improved. Future perfect. To talk about something that we hope will finish by a point in time in the future. This time next year or this afternoon, later today. That's the point in time in the future. We hope it will be finished sometime before then. So we have to use, in English, the future perfect tense. Will plus have plus the third form. After will, it must be an infinitive form, which is why it's have. So will, have, and then the past participle, in this case, finished or improved. So there we are. English grammar, the future perfect tense, it's easy peasy. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Tell all your friends, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.